Everyone loves to walk into a new facility or one that has recently been remodeled. But what happens to the mess created in construction? If a traditional waste hauler is used, these products will typically end up in the local landfill. If recycling is requested, it's likely there will be several containers on the site, and the responsibility of sorting falls to the contractor. To make matters worse, there is no guarantee that these materials will actually be recycled when they leave the site. With the mistakes that can be made in sorting during construction, the extra expense, and the hassle, this simply isn't cost-effective or an efficient use of time. So what makes job site recycling different? We take a different approach to the construction debris. We are a single-stream waste recycling facility, meaning simply we set a single container on site and the contractor fills it up as he always has. When it is full, we come pick it up. The bin is then emptied into our sorting facility, where the recyclable materials are recovered, packaged, and shipped out to begin their second life. But what happens to these products? Metals are sorted between magnetic and non-magnetic and sent to traditional mills to be recycled. These metals include rebar from foundations, scrap copper wire, nails from grinding wood, I-beams, even aluminum drink cans from the contractors. Paper, cardboard, and plastic generated from a construction site can account for a large volume of the waste generated. Every light and sink fixture comes in a cardboard box, wrapped in a piece of plastic, with printed directions in multiple languages. All of these materials are recovered, baled into large blocks, and then sent to traditional mills, often being recycled as the same product again. Wood waste must be ground. Most of the wood in our facility is used as boiler fuels for places like recycling plants, heat for manufacturing, or to produce electricity. We choose to use recovered wood as boiler fuel because it allows us to accept all types of wood, like engineered wood, kiln, MDF, treated, and painted. Additionally, we are able to use all the vegetation from the curbside pickup from our local municipality with no additional cost to them. Block, bricks, and asphalt shingles are ground together and spread over our facility's parking lot to control dust. The effect is very similar to the old process of spraying oil across a gravel road, but since the oil is locked into the shingles, there is virtually no runoff. Gypsum drywall is often regularly diverted by our facility. The drywall is stored and sorted until it is ready to be processed. We grind the drywall, which is 85% lime. The remaining 15% is paper and dissolves without any harm to the soil. When added to the soil, the lime from the ground gypsum has been proven to be good for crops, soil, and even acting as a natural insecticide. Additionally, the paper from the drywall quickly breaks down and acts as a natural attractant and food source for earthworms, helping crops even more. On a typical new construction, Job Site Recycling of Tennessee will divert over 90% of the waste away from landfills. Additionally, we work with manufacturers and remodelers to help manage their waste streams. But is this profitable? Oh yes! We found recycling not only to be good for the earth, but also good business. Having started in 2005, our company continues to see considerable growth annually with higher productivity and better training. We plan to continue this trend in the future. Being the first of this type of company in Tennessee, we believe in new ways of handling old problems. That's why we are Job Site Recycling of Tennessee.